Make up your own rules as you go. Stay only true to what you know and who you are. And who you are. The road may be rough, you might not see the top, but winners don't quit and winners don't stop. The leaf may look large, you might think that you'll fall, but winners aren't born, winners work hard. They work hard.
And I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday and Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive. So if that is what you're looking for, you have found it. Okay. This is going to be a wig comparison. I did a haul where it was Motown Tress and Beshe, and I explained that they're the same company, and so some of their wigs are the same, name different things. So I wanted to do a comparison to kind of show you because for instance, if you want a particular color and one of the styles doesn't have it, then you can look at it that way. Beshe tends to be a little bit less expensive, so yeah. After I'm done with all this, you will see just me getting this one together because I've already worn the other one. I will do a side-by-side comparison. The girl that I'm wearing right now this is a Beshe's Toro, and I have her in the color Chocolate Swirl, okay? She comes in a few colors. Toro is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She does come with baby hairs, deep lace parting, and it says her finished length is 12 inches, which I love that they've been putting this up here. I think that's really, really great. She comes with like wig tape, which is awesome. I scooped her up from Elevate Styles for $23.79. So this is Toro. This chocolate swirl color is divine. I absolutely love it. It has these really sort of like caramel chocolate peanut butter situation, these really light highlights in it. The style is cute. It does have these like 2 longer pieces, and it's sort of this like tousled situation. I put a little bit of heat to the part. I didn't lay the baby hairs down, but I did pull them out. I love the color. I just don't know if I'm loving this style, but if you like this style, this color is really, really beautiful. The one that I have to compare that I'll show you, I'll do a side-by-side in a minute, but this is Motown Tress's Ruth, and you can see here, this is Ruth, and I have her in the color 4, okay? So it's the same exact way. You can even see the stock card is the same. So this is Toro and Ruth. I scooped Ruth up from Diva Tress for $19.97. Okay, so this is the same wig, and this is in the color 4, so you can see the colors together. Same cap construction, so it's got the 2 comb set wide, lace front, lace parting. It has sort of that like stretchy cap so that you can shift it if you wanted to, because there's no like real ear tabs, and then a comb in the back. So let's go ahead and do sort of a side-by-side comparison. Together. So yeah, they're the same wig. Like I said, I love this color. I'm not sure how I feel about the wig. I just think maybe it's just not my style. Wig cap is comfortable. I wouldn't say that it's an overly large wig cap for either one of them. The Motown Tress cap is definitely just very slightly bigger. But I'm also wearing a wig grip with this, so that could be part of it. The texture is sort of there's a little bit of texture to it, but there is some silkiness, so it's a multicultural option for sure. Let's look at her from the back. Nice movement. It's just that sort of tousled situation, so if that is something that you like, I would say go for it. I mean, the fibers are very nice quality. Baby hairs are nice, parting is nice, so it's more just for me a style issue. But this color, I have another wig in this color, so I definitely want to try that out. So that is what I have for you for today. If you like these type of comparison videos, go ahead and put those down below, and I can do that a little bit more. If there's another Motown Tress or Beshe wig you would like me to review, also put that down below. I will include my full playlist, as I have reviewed quite a few. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.